Lunkin Tower, 950 Juliet Alpha, holding short 25, ready for takeoff on course, 950 Juliet Alpha.
November 950 Juliet Alpha, Lunkin Tower. Say your direction of flight again.
I am heading northeast, sir.
November 0 Juliet Alpha, cross 25. Runway 21 left, cleared for takeoff. Turn left on course, remain at or below 2,500.
21 left, clear for takeoff. Remain at or below 25,000, 950 Juliet Alpha.
November 8 Fox November, you're still up?
Yes, sir, we're here, 8 Fox November.
All right, traffic 3 miles north to your position. A Pilatus P180 descending out of 3,500 inbound to Lunkin.
We'll be looking for that traffic, 8 Fox November.
He's right off your left wing in 2 miles.
Left wing 2 miles, 8 Fox November.
Let's do it.
Morning, Lunkin, Piazza 247 Juliet Lima, visual 21 left.
November 355 Victor Alpha, Lunkin ground, runway 21 left to taxi via Alpha. Cross 21 right at Alpha. Hold short of 25 at the end. Hold short of 25 at the end. Last 247 Juliet Lima, Lunkin Tower, 21 left, clear to land.
Clear land 21 left, 7 Juliet Lima.
November 0 Juliet Alpha, what's the on-course heading, sir?
On-course heading is 064.
Roger. November 0 Juliet Alpha, contact Cincinnati departure.
Contact Cincinnati departure, 950 Juliet Alpha, thank you, sir. Cincinnati departure, 950 Juliet Alpha with you at 2100, request of 5500.
We're 950 Juliet Alpha, Cincinnati approach, ident, altimeter is 2996, maintain VFR.
2996, and there's your flash, maintain VFR, 950 Juliet Alpha.
November 78 Mike, November, your radar contact 5 West Oxford Airport, you're clear to Spirit of St. Louis Airport, as filed, climb and maintain 13,000, since the altimeter is 2996, verify altitude.
Okay, as filed up to 1,300, 299.6, and we're passing through 5,400.
Great, Mike, November, yes sir, climb maintain 13,000, 13,000, and you can expect flight level 260 within 10 minutes.
Roger, 13,000, 78 Mike, November.
Zero Juliet Alpha, your radar contact 3 east of Lunkin Airport. Resume on navigation, climb and maintain. What altitude did you like?
Position check, 5,500, 950 Juliet Alpha.
Skyhawk 0 Juliet Alpha, you're clear to Cincinnati Class Bravo airspace, maintain VFR 5500 since the altimeter is 2996.
Clear to the Class Bravo, maintain outer below 5,500, 950 Juliet Alpha.
All right, Mike November, contact Indy Center on 119.55. So long.
119.95.
It's 119.55.
119.55, 78 Mike November.
Skyhawk 950 Juliet Alpha, contact Columbus approach 118.85.
950 Juliet Alpha, contact Columbus approach 118. Say again, 118.85.
Yes, sir. Affirmative. 118.85.
Roger, 118.85. Columbus approach, 950 Juliet Alpha with you at 55.
Skyhawk 950 Juliet Alpha, Columbus approach. Good afternoon. Date and altimeter 2994.
2994, 950 Juliet Alpha. And there's Blanchester.
Juliet does
625 Delta Columbus approach ident. Cessna 52 Delta radar contact off the Richmond Airport. Date and altimeter 2994. When able, proceed on course Hamilton, Butler County.
Columbus approach, 950 Juliet Alpha.
Number 950 Juliet Alpha, VFR descent at your discretion.
VFR descent at my discretion, 950 Juliet Alpha.
Copter 5 Uniform Charlie, Columbus. 5 Uniform Charlie, as long as you're in contact with me, you are clear to dispatch.
Right, brothers, traffic, helicopter 122 Alpha Kilo.
Juliet Alpha, about 7 miles to the southeast, around over Washington Courthouse, inbound for runway 23, Fayette County.
Fayette County traffic, Cherokee 15033, turn final runway 23, Fayette County.
Fayette County traffic, 950 Juliet Alpha is crosswind runway 23, 950 Juliet Alpha.
Regular traffic, helicopter 122. 4 miles.
Fayette County traffic, this is Cessna 51033. I'm 10 miles out to the east, inbound from runway 23, 2,500, Fayette County.
Fayette County traffic, 950 Juliet Alpha, turning final runway 23, Fayette County.
Fayette County traffic, Cherokee 15033, turn left base, runway 23, Fayette County, up to the pattern.
Fayette County 950 Juliet Alpha is a full stop, runway 23, Fayette County.
Fayette County traffic, Cherokee 15033, turn final, runway 23, Fayette County.
Fayette County traffic, 950 Juliet Alpha is clear, runway 23, back taxi, Fayette County. Okay.